Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're out here on Lake Sutton down in Wilmington, North Carolina. It's been a few months since we've been out here. I believe it was the end of February, early March. We were catching them right during the spawn. We caught a few post spawners out deep on some ledges. Today we're going to be targeting similar stuff. We're going to be targeting the stumps along the ledges of the canal. And yeah, we're just going to see how we do. Next video coming up after this is going to be the Angler's Choice Team Tournaments, which I'm going to be fishing very first weekend of June. And so they're going to be my next videos. And then following that, we're going to have the BFL video on High Rock Lake as well. Guys, stay tuned. Let's see how we do today. Also, if you like fishing down here on Lake Sutton, they've repaved the road. However, someone got funny with it and they put speed bumps every 100 yards. So it takes about 10-15 minutes to get back here, but no longer have to worry about your boat getting dirty or your truck getting dirty. All right, guys, stay tuned. Let's see how we do today. Big one. There goes my worm. Want my worm back. Ah. Not a giant. Fun one though. Got my worm back too. There we go. Let's weigh him up. All right. See how much our fish weighs, guys. Gotta zero this thing. All right. 113. Locking in at number 1. Fish number 2, guys. 3 of the day, but second keeper. There was a school of them. Not a very big one. Nope. I don't want to weigh you. 14 inches to be a keeper here. Oh yeah. He's almost 15 inches. He ain't very big though. Alrighty, 1-4. Welcome in at number 2. Hey guys, if you're in the market for a new boat, get the lowest price now at Angler's Choice Marine, the #1 Ranger and Triton dealer. Save up to $5,000 on select 2024 models now. This week we are featuring a 2005 Ranger 620 VS. You can own this Ranger for as little as $256 per month. It comes equipped with all the features you need for a successful day of fishing. Powered by a Mercury 225 Optimax, a Minn Kota Ultrex trolling motor, a Humminbird 898C at the bow and console, a onboard 3-bank Noco battery charger, and a Bimini top for those hot summer days. You can own this boat today by calling Angler's Choice or clicking the link below. Also guys, I like to mention each Angler's Choice location is equipped with a full service department and a Mercury Marine certified technicians. If you run into any trouble on the water, Angler's Choice has your back with the lowest rates on insurance this season. Don't lift a finger, leave the hassle out the door, drop off your servicing needs, and let Angler's Choice take care of the rest. All right guys, now back to fishing. Got him. Oh, yeah. Oh, come on. Why am I losing them? Nope, nope, don't you do it. Nope, Come on. And y'all are squirmish today. The water's warm, that's why. All right, keeper number 3, guys. One, 3. Lock him in at number 3. Slow start. There's another one. Another one. I'm dropping them on their heads now. They out there. Small though. Oh, there we go. That's a good one. That's a keeper. Nope. Come on. What are you doing? Not a good one. Might be 14 inches. Man, they floppy today. Yeah, he's 14. Probably. Nope. Not a keeper. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, they are stacked up there, guys. Like every cast I'm catching a fish. I keep throwing my worms though. I'm losing my worms. Man, he freaking swallowed that one. Whole bunch of little ones stacked up there. Oh God, that's a big one. Oh. Uh-oh. Giant. That's the big one I needed. There we go. There we go. That's what we needed right there. Yes. That's a good one. We'll save that one for a photo. There we go. That one fly good. That's 0. $2.10, guys. We're at 6:14. think we got keeper number 5, guys. It's not a very big one, but it's a keeper. Yeah, that's 14 inches. Yep, he's 14. He'll keep. He's 1.5 going in spot number 5. We're at 8.3, guys. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Don't know if it's a bigger one or not. All right, guys, we're culling. There we go, cold number 3. Number 2 is next. We're at 8.8. Oh, that's a big one. That's a bigger one. That's a bigger one. It's a coal fish. If I can get him to come up without coal fish. Cool fish. There we go. Probably our second biggest of the day. Sitting on these ledges, guys. Fish number 2's going. There we go. We're at 9 pounds. That's a cold fish. Cold fish. Eat that on the fall. That's a cold fish, guys. There we go. Not a giant, but bigger than the smaller one we got it for sure. So we are culling number 5, which is 1 pound 5 ounces. This is a 112. Here we go. We're at 9 pounds 7 ounces.
Oh yeah. God, it's a big one. About time I get one. Come up. Oh, don't come up too fast. Yeah. There we go. I got one of the schoolers, guys. That is a pretty fish. Whew. Okay. Look at this thing. Alrighty, guys. 212. Getting rid of a 1/8. We're at 10 pounds, 11 ounces. There we go. Not a coal fish, but it's a fish. He's okay. He might call. I don't know if he will or not. I don't think he will. Nah, I don't think he's gonna call. Nah, he's not gonna call 113. Nope, he doesn't call. Oh, man, every time I drop it in the spot, guys, I can't even see the fish. I don't know where they're coming from. Oh my God. I'm almost out of my bait though. Man, I am on them right now. I'm out of those worms though. Think they'll still bite other worms? About to find out. Yeah. Oh, God. Oh, got another coal, guys. Got another one. Catch them good now. Man. There we go. Heck yeah. All right, zeroed. Got another 211. Alrighty. We're sitting at 12 pounds, 7 ounces, guys. Fish. I don't know. Got him. Yes! Guys, I caught the same fish that just broke me off. He's got both down his throat. I don't know if you see that. Wow. Tell me that fish ain't hungry. Wow. I mean, I got my weight and everything back. That is wild. Same one that just broke me off. All right, zeroed out. $2.7. We're at 13.1, guys. 13.1. I mean, that is a beautiful fish. Man. I think I'm gonna call it. 13 pounds, 1 ounces. Guys, I caught 20 plus fish. I don't know how many I caught. It was a fun day. I went through 2 packets of Zoom worms, both June bug color, one regular June bug, and then the other one was the dark color June bug with red and blue flake. Anyhow, guys, if you stick to the end of the video, I appreciate you for tuning in. Until next time, we will be on High Rock Lake for our Angler's Choice Team Tournament. All right.